welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the cover of the BabyTrend high chair, and I'm also going to show you guys how to reinstall it. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to do it, then keep watching. And guys, before we head on with this video, if you are new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this video is going to be really quick, but I wanted to do this video to help you guys. So to remove this part, we have to unbuckle on each side. So on the bottom and in the back. So the chair is removable. And then the next step would be to take these off. So take these off like this, and then over here as well, like that. And then you can remove this right here, and then you want to take these off over here. So now you have this piece. The next step would be to remove these parts right here so that you are able to take this off. Then this part right here, you just want to slide it out like that, and then pull it on the other side like that. And then at the bottom you want to do the same right here, and there you go. And also right here you want to take this off right there, and you got your piece. Now also I like to wash these, and you can totally put those in the washing machine. So you just want to take them out and over here, and same with these. So you can put this in the washing machine as well. And this one you can also remove it at the bottom like that. So actually you would have 5 pieces. You can also throw this in the washing machine, no problem. In the meantime, what I like to do is to wash this chair because it could be really dirty at the bottom as well. So I like to just take an alcohol wipe or something and just wipe through everywhere. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put everything back together. Just so you guys know, I didn't wash mine at this moment as I'm doing this video. I just want to show you guys how to do it, but I will wash mine after. The first thing you want to do is reinstall this piece. Make sure that it's put in this direction. So you want this to be outside. So you just fold this piece like flat, and then you put it in the middle hole right there. And this is how you would do it. This piece right here. So you just want to slide this over just like that, and then you want to put these elastics back in these holes right here and right here. So let's do it like that. Once this is installed, you want to put this back in the hole right here like that. Once this is attached, you want to place this piece right here on top of it, but we're gonna have to install these first. So make sure that you have this piece right here and this one. You want to put this in the right hole. So depending on how tall your baby is, mine is at the top, so I'm gonna put it in the top part, and then on this side right here. Then you want to slide this piece into the black fabric, slide it through on this side. So this is how you put it back in. The other side, it would be the same. So it's right here. Now we're gonna put it through the black fabric. I'm gonna slide my hand, find it, pull it out. So now this piece right here. So make sure to know what side it goes on is how you close it, how you buckle it. So this is the left side. So we're going to attach it right here in this little hole. And then this piece you want to put it through this hole right here, and then through this one. Depending how big your baby is, if it's an infant or toddler, pull it out So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So this piece is on the right side, and you want to reattach it. Same thing, you put this in this hole right here, and then in this one, there you go. And then you just want to do your regular reattach the seam. So that's it. It was super easy, super quick. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye bye.